Hello everyone. Start off by taking this machine and then make this shape out of it. Afterwards, make sure that you make multiple of these and then do this right beside it. Continue to make each individual design, and while you are at it, make sure that you do so very precisely. Now once you reach somewhat of a midpoint, you may continue and make another design at the other side of it. This can look like the symbol of the Om. Now continue doing so and then make the individual pieces once again. Once you are done with the centerpiece, continue on and then make these ice cream like shapes right on the outside. You may do this until you reach the other side, and while you're making this design, as it will be very difficult, make sure that the sizes that you are creating are the same as the ones beside. As far as possible, make sure that you make them as such. You may make a little marking before you do so if it would help. Now, we will be making multiple circles, one beside the other, as you can see. So take your water jet spray and then continue on and then make these circular shapes. Once you reach something of a midpoint, continue on and then make your design in the middle as well. Now, as you proceed with this, you may make longer bulbous shapes in the center. Now, once you make an entire circle out of this, you may continue on to your outer circles as such. Continue on, and finally, once you're done with the last circle, this is what it should look like. Now our next design is going to be something of a star. Firstly, start off by making the outer quarters with an oval-like shape with each of the sides. Now afterwards, make an inner layer, turn back when you're almost 3/4 way through, and then make an inner carving for each of these. Make this diamond-like shape within each of them, and then continue on, and then make the outsides and the insides. Now we'll be making a snowflake-like shape. For this, we will start off by making this initial diamond and then continue them with each of them. That is, continue to make little more rectangles right underneath it and then join it right to the center dot. This is what the final look should look like. Make a circle in the center so that it becomes all more even and all the more realistic. Afterwards, for our next design, we will be making the circular-like shape. Now for this, start off by making the shape on either side. You may move from one end to the other, and then you may make it in such a way that each of the opposites meet as such. Make a meeting point so that you don't go out of bounds. Next, we will start off by making this ovular shape. It is more like the shape of a little dewdrop. Make this on all four sides connected to the top and then begin to go diagonally as well. This is what we have done as well. We started from one center and then we made checks out of it, and now we will be going diagonally. Make it as narrow as possible and make sure to fit as many as you can in one possible circle, as you can see we have done. Now once you're done with one side, you may move on to the other side and once again continue on diagonally. Once we have finished with ours, we will be moving on to the right side and the top left side, as you can see. This will be the final look of it. Once again, make sure that each of these are precise so that none of them are left over and none of them look odd. Thank you for watching.